Hi children, welcome back to 7th Living Science class. Last class we learned nutrition in plants and many more topics we learned. Today also we continue this unit but another topic. Nutrition in plants, nitrogen synthesis. You know that plants make food in the presence of sunlight. They use water and carbon dioxide. The chlorophyll helps to convert it into glucose, which is the plant's food. Glucose is a carbohydrate. The process of making food like this is called photosynthesis. But living things also need nitrogen. Plants and animals cannot live without nitrogen. It's an important part of many cells. Proteins are made up of nitrogen. The chlorophyll in plants is also made of nitrogen. Where do we find nitrogen? In the air. Almost 3/4 of the air is made up of nitrogen. But this nitrogen in the air cannot be used by animals and plants. The nitrogen has to be fixed so that it can be used by plants. This process of converting atmospheric nitrogen to something that the plants can take up is called nitrogen fixation. Once nitrogen is fixed, it can be absorbed and used by plants. As animals directly or indirectly depend on plants for their food, nitrogen enters their body too. Now you must be wondering, how does this nitrogen from the air get fixed into the soil? There are special bacteria that can do this. The bacteria change nitrogen into a compound that the plants can absorb through the soil with their roots. This nitrogen then gets used to form different parts of the plant. This special bacteria, there are special bacteria that can do this. The bacteria change nitrogen into compound that the plants can absorb through the soil with their roots. This nitrogen then gets used to form different parts of the plant. This special bacteria lives in the root of some plants like a leguminous plants. When they can fix nitrogen in a way that the plant can absorb it like fertilizer for the plant. Plants that get right amount of sunlight, fertilizer and water grow to be nice and healthy. What did we just learn? Plants need nitrogen to make proteins and other body parts. Nitrogen is present in the air but cannot be used in that form by the plants. There are special bacteria that convert or fix the nitrogen in the air into a form of that the roots can take up. Nitrogen fixation also occurs naturally during lightning and rains, volcanic eruption, etc. Biological fixation of nitrogen. Plants produce carbohydrate by the process of photosynthesis. Carbohydrates are made from carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and proteins are made from carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. How do plants obtain the nitrogen necessary for the synthesis of proteins? Air contains gaseous nitrogen. However, plants cannot utilize gaseous nitrogen. It needs to be fixed and converted into compounds like ammonia, nitrite and nitrate. How it's changed into nitrate and nitrate? Two different types of microorganisms can bring about biological nitrogen fixation. Root nodules of leguminous plants contain the rhizobium microorganism. These microorganisms absorb atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into its nitrate, a compound. Microorganisms like Acetobacter also present in soil. They also convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates. Do you know atmospheric fixation of nitrogen happens through lightning also? This causes atmospheric nitrogen and oxygen to react with each other to form nitric oxide, which is again oxidized to form nitrogen dioxide. This nitrogen dioxide dissolves in rainwater and is converted into nitric acid HNO3, which gets added to the soil along with the rainwater. Plants use this nitrogen for their growth. Can you understand, children? Thank you.